Hi everyone, and welcome to And So On. My name is Lisa, and today I'm going to show you all the dresses and jumpsuits that I've picked out for Me Made May. Okay, so welcome to Me Made May. This is so exciting. I love Me Made May every single year because it's a chance for me to reacquaint myself with my summer wardrobe, to reevaluate, to see what's working, to see what isn't, and just to really enjoy my spring-summer mix, which is my very favorite time of year. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you all of the dresses and jumpsuits I've picked out, but make sure you stay until the end because I'm announcing my 25,000 subscriber giveaway, and you definitely want to be a part of that. Okay, so the first thing I did was I pulled out all of my spring-summer clothing and I divided that into spring summer and what I would call high summer, because there are a lot of things in this group of clothing that once it gets super hot in like July, I'm not gonna be able to wear it again until probably, nearing the end of September. So I tried to pick things to wear for May and for early June that are for sort of a cooler morning and then a warmer afternoon, or things that I could change in and out of before it gets too hot. So just to let you know what I'm wearing today, this is the Meadowood Blouse by Straight Stitch Designs, and I made this out of a cotton, like a cotton wall from Minerva, and you can see that it's quite sheer, and so I lined the lower half of the front portion, and I'm wearing it, back up here, I'm wearing it with linen shorts, and the linen shorts are the Nita trouser hack that I did, and that pattern is by Amy Nicole Designs, and of course I'll link to that below as well. But these are two just very comfortable, easy wear pieces that I wore a ton last year, and I know that I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of this year as well. Okay, first off is this dress in bamboo viscose, and this is what I wore on the first day of Me Made May, which was my birthday. I wore this to lunch, and this is a hack of the Adrienne blouse from Friday Pattern Company. And so if you have a look, if you imagine cutting it off here, that's how it was as a top. And I just decided to pretty much extend it straight down. It's got a little gather coming in the center, or a little cut in, and then straight down. And full disclosure, this has been washed and dried multiple times, and so it has shrunk up a bit. It's a little bit shorter than when I originally made it. It's fine, but proportionately, I feel like it was probably better about an inch longer. That's okay. This is made in a viscose jersey, pardon me. It's in a viscose jersey. I love the black and white. I love the leaf detail on this. And I just think this dress is something that, well, I know for sure, it's an easy thing to put on and wear. It feels not exactly secret pajamas, but definitely really, really comfortable. I had to mend this when I first pulled it out. One of the elastics had come free, and when I went and looked at it, it was fully shredded. And so I actually had to open up both seams, take out the elastic, replace it, and sew it all up again, and now it's good as new. Next, you might remember this dress. I did this dress last year in a collaboration with the Tailor Academy. This is called the Stockholm Dress, and it's in a mid-weight linen from Rebus and Casals. And this is just a really classic V-neck, front and back, princess seams, beautiful, nice chunky hem so the weight comes down, whoops. So it really weighs it down well. This is definitely one that once it gets hot, I cannot wear. The mid-weight linen, especially kind of against the body, is too heavy. So this is definitely one that I want to wear right now. Another favorite is my Kalle shirt dress hack. So this is the Kalle shirt dress hacked to midi length. I'll bring it back here so you can see. I hacked this based on another Instagrammer and what she did with it. And basically I added almost 12 inches to the lengthen line. But other than that, it's the exact same dress. I wear this a ton. It is so great. I love, it's in an Atelier Brunette viscose, which is so buttery and beautiful and gorgeous to sew and to wear. You can see it has the full burritoed yoke at the back. I think the original pattern actually only has one pocket. I like to put two. And yeah, sometimes I wear this belted, and then I can kind of blouse it out a little bit and make it shorter. And sometimes I just kind of let it go free. So this is a great one. And actually this is one that I think I can pretty much wear all year round, or all summer long, I should say. Maybe not in the heat, but for the most part, this one is very, very versatile. This is an oldie but a goodie. This is one that I made when we were still in Toronto, I believe, yeah. And this is a bamboo jersey from Blackbird Fabrics. And this is the Molly dress from Sew Over It. And I remember that it was when I was first sewing garments, in the first kind of year or so sewing garments. And I remember when I first made it, it was very big on me. I had to take it in. I did give myself longer sleeves to kind of hit around the elbow, which I like. And yeah, this again is something that I can wear. I also added a sheared elastic back to bring it in just a little bit. I do find that it generally needs a belt, although adding this piece of elastic here did help. When we did a trip about 5 years ago, a little longer actually, I wore this almost every day. So I did kind of wear, not almost every day, but I wore it a lot over that 7-month period. And so it kind of like got out of rotation because I was a little bit bored of it, but now it's back in rotation, and the bamboo jersey is very comfortable except when it gets really hot. So this is a good one again for this time of year. This is the Lindsay dress from VikiSews. I made this last year as, actually, was it last year or 2 years ago? I guess it was 2 years ago, but I adjusted it last year to fit me better, and then it kind of got too hot to wear. So this dress, I shortened a little bit and I changed the buttons because originally it had fancy buttons and like a midi length, and I just found that that gave it a rather formal air that didn't suit my lifestyle. So I cut it shorter and I changed the buttons. I can sometimes wear it open. I'm gonna challenge myself to wear this because again, this mid-weight, I'm guessing this is like a cotton linen blend or maybe even a cotton hemp blend, is a little bit on the heavy side. And so I find that when it gets super hot, I'm not gonna be able to wear this. So again, perfect for this season. This is another oldie but a goodie. I don't even know what this is called. I'll go back and look, but it's a pattern from Sew Simple Designs or Simple Sew, from the magazine Simple Sew. And it's one of the only times that I bought that magazine, and this came as a hard copy pattern. And I don't have it with me, unfortunately, because I really do like it. I used a remnant that I bought at a sale for the Textile Museum of Canada, and it definitely has some polyester in it. So again, for that reason, much better for this time of year. But I also wore this a lot on a trip we took when we first moved to Spain for about 5 weeks. And gosh, it was, it was used a lot. So again, this is one that kind of comes in and out of rotation. And because of the polyester, it's really only appropriate for a few weeks out of the spring and then fall. But when I do wear it, it's really easy. And actually, because of the polyester, it does not crush. So that's a benefit. But yeah, this is a really cute little one, and I'm sure that I'll wear it a few times in May. One more little jumpsuit. This is from the Aware collection, and I'm blanking on the name, so I'm gonna put it down there, but it's the Aware collection is the name of the brand. And this print is so cute. It's got little pineapples on it. Again, polyester content. So although this one is okay because I think it's only 30% polyester or something like that. And I do find that because it's so open and breezy, I can wear it a little more in the summer. It's very short, but it's very cute. And I think when something's a little bit oversized and a little flowy and short, the proportions balance out so that it doesn't look alarmingly short. Yeah, so this one's really cute, and I thought I would pull it out. Another one of my very first sews. This is the Charlie Caftan from Closet Core Patterns. And I made this from Nanny Eero double gauze. I remember it was the first time that I ever bought kind of fancy fabric. I think I spent $30 on this fabric, and I got 1.5 meters, and I had to hack the front because the width was the Nanny Eero fabric, if you've ever used Nanny Eero double gauze, it's quite narrow. And so it's really, difficult to fit some patterns on it. And so the Charlie wouldn't fit. And so I had to kind of manipulate the pattern piece to be able to fit here. And that's kind of one of the first times that I went, oh, I can do whatever I want with these patterns. I can make them work for me. So this has got a ton of wear. Again, the double gauze at some point becomes too hot to wear. So it's a good one for this time. I know I keep saying that over and over again, but that's how I picked these early May, June type of makes. Again, this one has also shrunk up a fair amount, but still wearable, and one that's very easy to just throw on. Great to go to lunch or something like that. Lots of room for lunch. This is a Burda pattern in a cotton viscose blend from Meat Milk. And this dress, I did it as a project, and originally, actually, this Burda pattern was on the Russian Burda. This is like 2 years ago or more, probably around exactly 2 years ago or plus from now. And since then, it's been in the North American Burda, and so it's available on the regular Burda website. So I will find it and link to it. There's something about it that I want to wear it more than I actually wear it. So I'm going to work on that. I can't figure out, I'm going to put in, you'll see the videos of me wearing it. If you have an idea of what it is about it that's bothering me, why it's not working, let me know. You know, sometimes I like that it has more space because then like allows for airflow and such, but then part of me wants to create more of a waist. The waist is a little low, I would say. It's probably about 1 inch low. So when I belt it, it's belting kind of up here. Yeah, I'm not sure why this doesn't get more wear because the fabric is gorgeous. I did some peekaboo lining on the pockets. I made this well. I just don't know why I don't wear it more. So I'm hoping that this may change that. And then lastly is my trusty Bondi dress from Tessuti. This dress, again, I wore on the big trip that I took with my family in 2017. We went away for 7 months, and this got a ton of wear then. This always gets great wear in the summer. This is linen. It does crush. I also got I don't know if you can see here, but I got bleach on it at some point, so it's got some bleach stains. I also made the pockets incorrectly, and so they kind of, it's hard to explain, but basically they're not how they're supposed to be. So I end up having to mend them every once in a while. But I do love this pattern. I keep meaning to make another one and I haven't. But there's something about the combination of this beautiful fabric with a really simple, clean design that really works well. And this one always gets a ton of wear. I actually initially had this in my high summer pile. And then I thought, no, you know what? I love this dress. I'm gonna pull it out now and yeah, have it set. Okay, that is all I've pulled out for Me Made May for my dresses. Do you think I'll get all of these worn by the end of May? I do wear a lot of dresses. And like I said, I do change multiple times a day, quite often depending on the weather. So I think I'm gonna be able to get them all in. But if you head over to my Instagram, I'm gonna be posting every day my Me Made May. And hopefully I'll post a roundup at the end of May to tell you what happened and what I ended up wearing. Okay, now time for the giveaway. I'm so excited to share all this with you guys. Now, I have 4 giveaways. I have 4 gift certificates to the Foldline, and the Foldline is an aggregator of all different sewing patterns in all different genres, all different sizes. There's quilting, there's bags, there's all sorts of things. And I thought that they were the perfect person to partner with for this giveaway. So I've purchased 3 20-pound gift certificates, and the Foldline generously donated 1 more. So 3 of those I'm giving away here on this channel, okay? And the 4th one I'm giving away over on my Patreon for my patrons. So if you've been on the fence about becoming a patron, head over there now and become a patron, because there'll be a giveaway just for patrons, and you have a week to enter and a week to become a patron. And at the end of that week, I will do the giveaway draw over there and as well over here. Now, always have to remind you guys, if you're gonna enter the draw, please come back next week when I enter the winners. When I choose the winners, because on YouTube, I have no way to contact you if you're the winner and you don't come back and look. So make sure you come back so that you can see if you won this giveaway. Also, if you are a knitter and you have no interest whatsoever in sewing, and you win, then I will do the same for you, except on Ravelry. And so we'll figure that out. So don't let the fact that maybe you're not interested in sewing patterns keep you from entering the draw. Okay, so to enter the draw, all I'd like you to do below is leave me a comment and let me know what you would like to see coming up on this channel this year. I'm thinking of starting tutorials, so if there is a tutorial that you would like me to see, please put it below. If there is something that you'd like me to cover, a video of mine that you've really enjoyed that maybe you'd like to see again, or anything like that, just give me an idea below of what you'd like to see going forward. The other thing you could do is ask me a question, because I will be doing a Q&A in the coming weeks. So you could also ask me a question, but I would love to hear what you guys would like to see on this channel going forward. So again, I'll put the date here as to when the draw closes, and then I will come back and I will announce the 3 giveaway winners, and then over on Patreon, 1 more. Okay, so now the lookbook. I'm gonna show you all of these dresses and jumpsuits that you've seen. Let me know what you think. Let me know your favorite. And yeah, I can't wait to share these with you on Instagram as I wear them throughout the month. I hope that wherever you guys are, the sun is shining and you are sewing or knitting or doing whatever makes your crafty heart happy. And I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.